beautiful peeps, my name's John and welcome to my channel. Today we have the frustration of getting a pinion off the motor. If you've been into RC cars for even just a little bit, you've had to go through this process at least once. And what the issue is you start to undo the grub screw and it's chewed up because they seem to make them out of bubble gum. So what do you do? How do you get it off? Well, if you're like me, obviously with a bigger screwdriver, this is the only one I have laying around right now, you put it in, you bang it, and you try your best to yank it off that way. But I found another solution. Let me explain. About a month ago, yeah, I explained not to buy a certain type because the certain type was dangerous, in my opinion, really quite bad. So I've been looking for a replacement. Let's just get those out of the way for now. And I found one. And it's much smaller than what you expect. Look at the size of that. Cheap, cheerful, love it. These bits here are obviously for different shaft lengths. Very small, medium, and very large. So, let me explain how it works. It's a very simple tool, does exactly what it says on the tin. Are you ready? Can't get this off, chewed it up to hell. Urgh. So, put this in. Get it as straight as possible, and then if I make sure that I'm focused, because it needs to be exactly in the center, which it is, then what do? You twist, you twist, you twist, you twist, you twist, and you just keep on twisting until the little monkey comes off. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That has to be it now. There can't be that much shaft length in the darn thing. Da, da, da. Oh, it's because that's stuck in there. See, this is what happens when you go live. Thank God I'm not live. God, can you imagine the nightmare? So I think what's happened is that's stuck in there now. I used the wrong shaft. There we go. So, ta-da! And funnily enough, you know, I was going to show you how you change them around, and you know, you saw anyway. Just screws in like that. Oh, I'm getting so frustrated. Sorry, the memory card error again. I didn't even blimmin' notice and I was still talking away. Anyway, as you can see, it's that simple now to get these off with this nice, simple little tool. It cost... I should have checked this before recording. I'm sorry. It's early morning. I will put on screen how much it cost. So I suggest that you get one. Nice simple tool, does exactly what it's supposed to, and it saves the frustration of trying to get these off by manually labouring it, and it is. You do end up damaging your motor in the end. So if you found this useful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.